Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert datas like this one. You can see degree Fahrenheit is converted to degree Celsius. You can use the formula to do so, but we have functions in Google Sheet that we can use to convert this. So to do so, we will just, let's say we want to convert this to degrees Celsius. So what we do is we always call a function by equal sign and then convert. And now you can see you have this formula example. You have to choose which value you need to convert. So we would like to convert this value, and then you need to go for a comma, and then you have to choose the start unit, and you also need to choose the end unit. So start unit and end unit both will be inside these commas. So start unit is in Fahrenheit, so we bring that one and we'll write F, and then there will be a comma, and then it will be converted into degree Celsius. We'll bring a C, and we'll just now enter, and you see it is converted to degrees Celsius. This is the same thing I did here. And if we just now change this number in degree Fahrenheit, we'll see the effect of changing in degree Celsius as well. So this is the cool thing about your Google Sheet, is that if you can manage to insert the functions, then you just change the number and accordingly other results are changed. So here you can go and look for more options, like if you go here in the unit conversion, you can do more conversion by going here and learn more. And here if you go scroll down, and you see these are the conversion units you can use, like for pressure P, this one for time, you are going to use second, minute, hour, day, year. So let's say we're going to change these things, time, so we just copy here so that we can remember them and paste it here. So paste them here. Now we know that time, if we would like to change in second, minute, hour, day, year, let's say we have minute, we are going to change it in seconds. So here we write minute, let's say 90 minute. So we want 90 minute to be converted into second. So we start with equal, call the convert function, and then which value you need to change, this 90, and then bring a comma, start unit, and every time you need this too. And the start unit is minute, and we would like to change it into second. So again we'll go for a comma, and end unit will be second, and we bring that, and then we write second. Okay, and then we press enter. Now this minute has been converted into seconds. So we change the minute again to this one, and you get the seconds in number. So if they are true, we can do it by hand. So every minute has 60 seconds. So we take this number, we multiply by 60, and these two numbers are same. That means the conversion is working fine. And also here you can take the pressure from, and also temperature that we have already done. Volume you can change also in this way, whatever the conversion you need, you just have a look in the datasheet and then use them for your conversion. Thank you very much.